Bhavesh Patil has experience in the TCS company. He learned software testing from STAD Solution and got placed at MNC Software Company. Let's hear from him.
Hi, my name is Bhavesh Patil. I have done my graduation in 2017 and I am from Ahmedabad. I have done my graduation in a BCom. After that, I joined the TCS and I have total 5.5 year experience, and I'm joining the TCS in 2018 and total 4.5 year experience in a TCS and relevant QA experience in a nearby 1 year, but some basic fundamentals and advanced level are not clear. That's why I'm joining the STAD Solution. After joining STAD Solution, we learn so many things like basic to advanced, creating FRD, BRD, test cases, test script and all things in manual testing. And then after automation testing, I learned so many tools like Jira, Selenium with Java, Selenium, WebDriver in Maven, Edit. During my training period, I got placement in Intit Software as a software tester. I strongly recommended to join STAD Solutions because it's a very understanding knowledge and grab your skills.